Well, I wanted to record a replacement sequence for a gasket on the hatch, but unfortunately I found out later that the camera went out of power, so I could not record the final step of the operation. So I'll make a simple description about it. First of all, you remove the old gasket, you gently clean the groove on the panel and everything, you clean it all. And then that's when the operation starts to be more interesting. So you take some soapy water and you insert the soapy water, you rinse with soapy water all the groove around. And then instead of pulling on the gasket, you just push the gasket. So you start with the opposite side of the bow for the insertion. So on this one, that will be on the top. And then you gently push your gasket and it will turn the corner on nicely. And then you are pushing the gasket and not pulling on the gasket, which means at the end of the day, it will not retract. So you just have to continue and finish with a patch of glue and that's over.